Oh dear, I'm sneezing now. Okay, so we've hit a shady spot and I've had a drink, but I'm gonna take off Rue's sock because if you look, it's been raining, so the ground's going to be quite soft because it's still damp and it's going to be on the grass as well. I'll take Rue's sock off. Turn over, baby. I'll take his sock off because we've got the chariot to put him in when we get to the road, and see, the grass is still wet. Oh, sorry, I'm sniff, but I've literally got clouds of pollen hitting me, and that's soaking wet. So this is, yeah, I was going to do a video of this, wasn't I? So that was, oh, see, look, she's coughing and sneezing. She's had her antihistamines. I'm going for her inhaler. Yeah, I think we might have to move out of this field as well. So this is the outside sock that goes over this, and this is the sock that protects his toes, but you can't really see, but trust me, I can feel it. I've got that's the inside of his pad, so he can stretch his little toes right out. And she's really coughing. I need to give her an inhaler. She's had her nev, but right, hold on. My hands are so weak. Right, now you can see when I take this off, see, he's only got a little foot, and that's where my finger was when I was talking about my fingers in his pad. But that's the natural range of movement with his and spread of his toes. But I now need to do little madam's inhaler because she's in the middle of a field full of buttercups. Ain't ya? Yeah, let's do that. Anyway. Right. Anyway, so he can now run around with his little naked leg. Isn't that right, handsome? And I need to blow my nose.